Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. So to get started, you just want to pull out the tray, which is located at the bottom. Now it's a toolless one, as you can see it's right here. So all you need is a relatively strong fingernail and just pull it out like so. On the tray, you'll have space for one SIM card and one SD card. SD card goes to the bottom. Make sure it's clipped in all the way. Should not be falling out of the tray, on its own at least. Grab your SIM card as well and clip it in place as well. Again, this one shouldn't be falling out either. As you can see, they're both holding in. So then, simply insert it back into your device. There we go. Now, once you do, the card, as you can see, starts to work automatically, so I do need to confirm my SIM card PIN, which will unlock the SIM card, and SD card should be working as well. There we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.